Yeah, let's see how that works. Because, yeah, I just got another tear. I was blessed with brains and brawn and not beauty. I apologize. Or I used to be, and then I got beat up so many times. My brother's friends used to hold me down and snap my eyes with rubber bands. Fun times. Wow. That is crazy. I knew that one was going to be a burner. Wasn't as hot as the Deadpool, but yeah. Man, I'm so excited. Thank you, Pepper Princess. Pepper Princess Week here at Spirituality Through Capsaicin. Definitely a proud sponsor since day one. Ah, my lips are numb. Look how red. I would say this is behind the scenes, but it's not. It's the full raw action. I shouldn't have did that. That'll disrupt my zoom on the editing. Still a long burner. Heck, it's 3 minutes into the next section. Because for some reason my phone only does 10-minute intervals. Once I'm done with this one, we won't go the whole 10 minutes, but once I'm done on this, I'll see if I can make it go longer in the settings. It has to be a settings, or maybe they do it to save. My lips are numb. At least my nose is not so red. That one definitely, I feel it in the stomach. On top of all the other ones. We had the Inferno Goat Horn, the Long Cayenne, Fresh Snow. Others. So yes, I'm gonna try to figure out if I can fix that 10-minute deal. But if not, try a new age in spirituality through capsaicin. As always, thank you for watching and have a blessed day.